about more secure text. Here we will divide it into 5 types of readers, namely predictor, questioner, qualifier, and summarize. First of all, predictor. I want to explain a little bit about this procedure text, which is how to create a Gmail account. So, Gmail is a free web-based email service that provides user with 15 GB of storage for messages and the ability to search for specific messages. The Gmail program also automatically organizes successfully related messages into a conversational thread. Now, I want you guys to read the procedure text first. The recommended password criteria according to Google instruction for creating a Gmail account include: first, a strong password should be at least 8 characters long. Two, it should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And 3, avoid using easily visible words or common passwords.
The second question is, what are the requirements for choosing a username for your Gmail account?
The requirements for choosing a username for your Gmail account are: first, the username must be unique and not already in use by another Gmail user. Second, it can be up to 30 characters long. Third, it must start with a letter. And fourth, you can use letters, numbers, periods, underscores, and dashes.
Last question. Why is it important to sign out of your Gmail account after its use?
It is important to sign out of your Gmail account after its use for the following reasons. Because security signing prevents unauthorized access to your account, especially on share or public devices. And then privacy, it ensures that your email and personal information remain confidential. And then avoiding accidental actions, signing out reduces the risk of accidentally performing action on your account if someone else uses the device. And then the last, protection of sensitive information. It helps protect sensitive information and prevents others from reading your emails.
Okay. For the last is summarize.
For the summarize, this text is about the procedure how to make a Gmail account. Started from visit to account, create account with the sign up feature. Next, insert username and password, verify with phone number, choose gender, add and accept Google terms service and privacy policy, and then your account Gmail has been created and you can use the email.
Okay, that's all from our group.